on the Brilliant right here. Model X108, folding pulverizer. All right, you tell me right there, everybody get how many dollars, everybody get 3,500 on it. 35, how are you, sir? 35, I'm gonna get 2,000. Two, don't be afraid to throw some bids out on this one. How much you thinking? $1,000?
On the pulverizer.
The pulverizer. How much? Are you gonna bid on this here? Any price? All right, watch this. Sir, this is not one we may want published. It's hard to say.
Okay. I can edit anything out.
$1,000, hit 111. How much you thinking?
500.
500 to 7.5. 5 to 7.5. Half to bid 7.5. About 600. 600 here to the bid 6, 6, 7, 7, 7, 7, 700, 800, 800, 900, 900 bid now $1,000 here. $1,000, 1,100. Now 12. 1,200 on a bid now 13, 13, 14, 14, 1400 bid to go 15, 15, 15, 16. 1600 bid now 17, 17, 18, 18, 18, 18, 19, 1900 bid now 2. Would you bid 22.5? 25. 2,500, 25 at a bit 5, 27.5, 27.5, half. We just got a slow start, 27.5. You should have seen how mean everyone's face looked over here. 27.5, 27.5 and 3,000. 3, we get 3,000. Much you turn 3, we get 3,000.
73.
27.5 to
73.
73 to 73.